Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have the Hygger HG816 Aquarium cleaning set 6-in-1. I go away a lot, so I don't get an opportunity to clean my tank as often as I should. So we definitely have some algae growth on the outside and on the inside of the tank. So let's get to it. So in the kit, this is how it comes. You get your instruction manual. This shows you how each attachment works. And you get your long extension pole. So basically you loosen this tip up, you put your extension pole in, and then it can adjust to however long you need it. I usually kind of sight it like this, so that's about right. So tighten that down. And you have a bunch of different attachments. So that's like your gravel scoop. This is your scraper, which we're going to be using. It comes with a fish net, which is always useful. It comes with a little brush attachment so you can clean some of your hoses and stuff out. It comes with an extra spring kit. And it comes with your corner brush, which we'll be using. So let's get that ready to go out of the bag. So that's going to be that. And then you have another brush for the front. This is for like if you have like those different type of acrylic aquariums, but we're going to use the blade for. So what you do is you basically kind of line this up here. There's like a little tab at the bottom. So you're putting that in. And you're switching it over, so it is spring loaded, so it keeps it nice tight on there. This is sharp, so be very careful. But basically you simply go in and we are scraping all this down. You go all the way down to the bottom. All the algae growth off. Quick and easy. This side, so you get a little bit better of an angle. Sometimes you just got to shake that clean a little bit, and then we can get the rest of this. Okay, so once you get like the bulk of it off, basically push down. Actually, let's put the cover back on to keep our hands nice and safe. And then we push down, and then it pops out. Then we can use this to help fine-tune our cleaning process. Just takes all that other stuff off. Nice and super clean. I'll do a vacuum here shortly, but then you can clean that off. Then we'll use this nice corner piece. Get nice and spring loaded. This one you can angle if you had to. And then we'll just get in here. This corner. Okay. Big difference, and now we're going to vacuum, and we'll be back. Brian from Garage Mahal. Be safe out there.